So the unit's in there. You should have seen it in the photos. I put a cover on it just to help block out the noise. I've left gaps at the top and bottom for airflow. You can hear, I've left the ignition on, you can hear the fan going. There's the Syntex air tank and all my plumbing. So I have one feed internally that goes straight through into the compressor, and then I have feeds coming off that cylinder, the two down at the bottom going to the outside just underneath the central pillar on the floorboard, so I can pump the tyres up from each side of the car. And then I have another one, well, it's one going from the tank, but it actually feeds two outlets, one for an air gun and the other one which I can then use as an aerator for the bait bucket. So basically the outlet to each side of the car goes through this air hose under this moulding, and then basically I've drilled a hole through the skin to the bottom of the car. I have Sikaflexed it. I did buy a bulkhead fitting, air fitting, so that's pretty well sealed with some Sikaflex, so I'm pretty confident that's not going to allow any weather in, and the skin should be rust protected. And then that is run along there and then through a hole. I've drilled a hole through this, I guess skirting board you'd call it, to my homemade socket cover. And that's basically some stainless steel, a stainless steel riser, which I've cut and repurposed as a housing for my air socket, which is in there. And not in use, which is the majority of the time. Will hopefully keep the weather out, ready for pumping the tyre up. I've just used some sort of stainless balustrade wire and swage fittings. I brazed a rounded bolt onto the top of the cap, so I could have a sort of retaining clip or strap, so that if that lid happens to rattle off, it won't go flying into the cars behind. It's pretty secure anyway, but also when I take it off, it doesn't fall in the sand and disappear or get all dirty. So, yep, that's it. Same on the other side. I can basically use a small air hose to plug in on each side, inflate two tyres, unplug and go around the other side. So if I turn on, I intend to leave it permanently turned on. It is hooked into the ignition as per the instructions, so that it'll only turn on when the ignition is on, preferably when the motor's running. I have two auxiliary batteries, so I'm happy to let this run without the ignition. So that's pretty much charged up the little cylinder that I bought, but otherwise it's installed. That plugs in. I've made this little aluminium sleeve which fits perfectly in here to disengage the air socket, because it's encased in this riser to protect it. You can't really push it down with your fingers, but I did plan ahead and devise this little mechanism to push that down, so you can just disengage it. I've got some bungee cord to sort of catch the hose as it gets ejected. carpenter's wax just to help keep that weather out and sealed and threading smoothly. That's it. Job done.